Hello students, in the earlier video we have seen the chemical origin of life. I said that chemical origin of life or the chemogenesis theory is the most accepted theory. The earlier this theory was given by the two scientists, that was Urey and Miller. Now this theory that that chemical origin of life was experimentally proved by two another scientists. They were Urey and Miller. Okay, the two scientists Urey and Miller, they proved the chemical evolution. Okay, they took one glass apparatus. In the glass apparatus, whatever the conditions that was given by the scientist Urey and Miller, Urey and Miller tried to cover all of it, and they really found yes, life can be originated from the chemicals itself, and it was originated from the chemical itself. Till now we believe that. So first of all, you can see this glass apparatus. This experiment, you have to know a number of times experiments. This experiment has come directly. You have to study this one experiment. This experiment is very much important. So first of all, just see. First of all, a vacuum pump is here. Okay, three gases that were methane, ammonia and hydrogen, that was taken in 2:1:2 ratio. In that glass rod apparatus, there was no specific another gases, no another gases was there, or it was made vacuum, and this three gases, that is methane, ammonia and hydrogen, that was taken in the ratio of 2:1:2. Okay, so the gases, whenever they get high temperature, that get in this glass. Okay, so in that glass rod, this is the flask. So in that flask, actually these gases, they got the higher electricity volt. That means the two electrodes, they produce spark. Okay, so that's why these gases, they get reacted with each other. Okay, so whenever these electrodes, they spark, these gases react with each other. Okay, so some changes had occurred. Then after that, earlier what we have understood, that those gases, they go to the surface, they form the cloud, then they get settled down. So to make that similar type of environment, there was given a condenser, so that from outside, that temperature that can be cooled down by continuous cool air will come from the outside and water will come outside. So that's why in this inside the glass rod, the temperature will cool down. So whenever the temperature get down, then what will happen? These gases, whatever the reaction have taken, we till now will not understand. So these gases will start to get dissolved here. Okay, and once again they will be settled here in this, and it will be boiling water, because in that period of time also the earth had the temperature of around 600 degrees Celsius. Okay, so what had happened in that boiling water after 18 days? Okay, after 18 days, this things that were actually taken out, and whenever it was taken out, surprisingly it was found that some type of sugar, carbohydrate, some sugar, simple sugar like glucose, then some protein, some amino acids like glutamic acid, aspartic acid, then the genetic material DNA and RNA was found. Okay, so how is it possible, right? So nothing but these gases, methane, ammonia and hydrogen, they can have this capacity in different forms. They can ultimately form these components like carbohydrate, protein, these biomolecules. If it is understood that this is formed, then yes, obviously life could be originated from these things only. Okay, so yes, this is the experimental evidence of chemical origin of life. This theory was proved by Urey and Miller. So this is experimental proof. I hope you understand. So this is the thing you have to know. Try to write it down. Okay, so this is all about the video. This is all about experiment. I hope you understand. Thank you.